Honorable Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan, dignitaries on the dais, captains of the industry, and my dear friends. I am honored to attend the Global Investor Summit in this vibrant city of Indore. The presence of our Honorable Prime Ministers reflects not only his commitment to development, but also the recognitions of the giant strides made by Madhya Pradesh in the last decade. Shivrajji is a real turnaround champion and has converted Madhya Pradesh from a Bimaru state into a star performer state. Friends, my association with Madhya Pradesh is more than 2 decades old. On a number of occasions in the past, I have driven from Ahmedabad to Indore. Once while driving from Ahmedabad, I told the driver to wake me up when we enter Madhya Pradesh. His reply was very matter of fact. He simply told, when the car starts bouncing, you can assume we are in Madhya Pradesh. The situation today is totally different, and Madhya Pradesh roads can compete with the best in India. All this has been made possible by our dynamic chief ministers. Friends, this meet is being held at a very opportune time. It is a wonderful feeling to see such a huge gathering, and the enthusiasm pretty much reflects the mood of the nation. After years of reading only negative news and total policy paralysis, the situation is changing, and we see optimism all around us. Friends, in our Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Ji, we have a mass leader who has taken a leaf out of the development model of Shri Modi Ji. The growth results delivered under his leadership speak for themselves. MP is now the fastest growing state in India. I am told Madhya Pradesh grew at 11.08% during 2013-14 as against national average of 4.7%. During his tenure, the per capita income has grown exponentially by 300%. Agriculture growth of over 20% in last 3 years is a mind-boggling. Irrigated area has grown by almost 300%. From a power deficit state, Madhya Pradesh is now power surplus state. However, Madhya Pradesh industrial growth has been weak and needs to be given a due attention before it starts affecting overall growth. I am sure the Chief Minister is aware of this, and the Global Investor Summit would help in correcting these aberrations. Our Chief Minister's heart is in the right place. In spite of staggering all-round achievement, he has not lost sight of the bottom of the pyramid. The initiative of Kanyadan Yojana, Ladli Lakshmi, and such other public welfare projects would go a long way in improving the status of underprivileged. This is the best testimony to the vision of Honorable Chief Minister. Adani Group association with Madhya Pradesh dates back to the early 90s. Our group company Adani Wilmar is heavily involved in soybean crushing and refining at 4 different locations in Madhya Pradesh. Adani Wilmar is a leader in edible oil segment in India. We are also partnering Madhya Pradesh in creating world-class agri-infrastructure for storage of grains at 7 locations, totaling 3.5 lakhs metric tons. Madhya Pradesh, under Shivraj Ji, is a pioneering in creating scientific storage of grains. The trail-blazing initiative of Madhya Pradesh is now being replicated by other states and would radically change the future grain storage of India. In the field of power generation, our group is shortly commencing the constructions of 2 into 660 megawatt Pench power project at Chhindwara. From port perspectives, we are delighted to announce that we would shortly be signing MOU with Pithampur Audyogik Kendra Vikas Nigam for faster evacuation of exim cargo from our Hazira and Mundra ports. This, as well as other projects under evaluations, will see Adani Group investing a total of rupees 20,000 crores in Madhya Pradesh over the next 5 years. At the end, I am thankful to the Chief Minister for inviting me on this summit, and I wish a grand success of Investor Global Summit 2014. Thank you. Jai Hind.